Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aline, and today I want to talk to you guys about the smoothie diet. So I have been using the smoothie diet for quite a while now, and I've had amazing results with it, and I was so happy with my results that I decided to come here and share my experience with you guys and talk to you guys about what is the smoothie diet. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I really want to share some information with you guys. So what is the smoothie diet? Guys, the smoothie diet is a 21-day weight loss program that works as a meal replacement. It puts you on a diet consisting of primarily of smoothies. These smoothies are rich in nutrients of all types and have minimal calories, making them ideal for weight loss. The smoothie diet does not deprive your body of vital nutrients. Actually, it's quite on the contrary. It refills your body with nutrients. Now, how does the smoothie diet work? That you might be asking yourselves. Guys, the smoothie diet is an ebook program that consists of a complete set of recipes and diet plans that will not only boost weight loss, but can improve your whole life. There are numerous health benefits that come with this program. But before you guys start, you have to do a 3-day detox. This detox also involves the use of the 3-day smoothie detox program, a bonus that you will get with the smoothie diet program. The detox preps your body for the actual 21-day program. So the plan is pretty simple. For 21 days, you swap out 2 of your 3 meals with delicious, hearty, nutrient-dense smoothies, and that's pretty much it. However, you can still have snacks and one whole food-based meal throughout the day, and you won't have to stress about planning them since the smoothie diet guide includes the sample meals and snacks, plus vegetarian options, so keep that in mind. Also guys, weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. This smoothie diet cuts out all the awful foods that are making you gain weight while boosting your metabolism, cutting your cravings, and reducing your caloric intake without ever leaving you hungry. So this diet is really amazing, guys. So that's pretty much it what I wanted to talk to you guys about. The smoothie diet is also practical and very easy to make. It's also made usually for busy people who don't have time to cook and chase after their foods while running around trying to work. So the smoothie diet is really practical for busy people. Also, you guys can keep in mind that once those 21 days are over, you can decide whether or not you want to continue taking the smoothie diet, because since it's very healthy and it's all natural, there is no problem if you want to continue taking it. However, if you do want to return to solid foods, that's fine as well, because the smoothie diet does not let your weight go back to what it was. It keeps your weight down. It keeps you with all those weight that you put off. So it's really amazing. I did it for 21 days and I had amazing results. And now I'm back to solid foods and I'm still with the weight that I was when I finished taking the smoothie diet. So remember guys, give this smoothie a try. I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with it. All you need to do is take around 20 minutes in the morning to prepare it and take it with you, and then take it throughout the day. Well guys, this is it. This is what I wanted to talk to you guys on this video about. So remember to get the smoothie diet on the official website. I have left the link to the official website down below in the description box of this video. So be sure to check that out once you finish watching this video, all right? Also, give it a try. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to fall in love with it like I have, and like lots of people I know who are still doing it have fallen in love with it on the first few days. So that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing day and thank you very much for watching this video. See ya!